Disclaimer: nothing in this video is real. Everything that is done by trained professionals.
Getting striker easy, all you need is a pro pad. Plug it up on the passenger side by the flow mat. Don't even start it up, put it in neutral and let it roll back. If you wonder how I know, cause YouTube, bro, I don't condone it. Rob a nigga that owed me till his pockets pay his debt off. Bitch so bad I took 2 minutes, I couldn't even get a sweat off. Dog on fair and square, up the Glock, told him bet was off. I probably sold a couple.
What the fuck is up, YouTube? I know you guys can't really see me right now. It's kind of just dark, bro. Here, let me turn on the lights for you guys. Hold on, let me get up. Hey Google, lights on. Right. So you can see my sexy face and shit. Nah, but I hope you guys fuck with this video. This is kind of like out of the blue. I didn't think like who was filming was gonna film, so I was like, fuck it, let me start cutting up. You feel me? So yeah, that's basically all this video, bro. It's just straight cutting up. It's barely any talking, bro.
Hey, let me just say real quick though, like it's not no fucking squeeze banners up in this bitch, no licensing and shit. You feel me? Like it's some light cutting up, nigga, and that's even like going over it. I just needed some shit to fucking post. You feel me? I hope you guys fuck with it, like I was saying. But yeah, I let past nigga go in real quick and tell you guys what the fuck's gonna happen.
Yeah, bro. It's probably not gonna be like the longest video ever either, but I hope you guys fuck with it, bro. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video, bro. Make sure to like, comment, and sub, though. For real.
I kind of know the video was kind of on some lame shit, but nigga getting ready for the next video, bro, already. But yeah, I know this video was kind of on some lame shit, bro. I didn't really know what to post, cause I thought like whenever I was doing it, I was like, oh, this is gonna be like a good video, right? But then that shit was kind of whack, low key. But you feel me? But can't really do nothing about it. It's too late to fucking go back. I have to go drive talk in 3 hours. You're gonna be able to go back and do that shit. But yeah, hopefully we can go again during the summer or like in a couple weeks or some shit during the weekend. Whenever Jozo can go with me and we go stay over there at my brother's and shit. And go to Little Rock again, do another cut up video, but a better one, cause the nigga been, I've been doing some shit off camera though, which I should be filming, but I'm fucking retarded, you feel me? But it's fine. I hope you guys fuck with the video, bro. Make sure to go check out my Discord, my Insta, my TikTok, bro, fucking everything, bro. Make sure to go check everything out. And yeah, bro, I don't really know what else to talk about. Yeah, I know this video was kind of boring, bro. I just gotta post something, bro, because I gotta get a double upload in either, like, I gotta get a double upload in soon, bro, because I didn't upload that whole week. And then I uploaded again, and then again. So I need to get back on this shit next week. Like I said, I'm gonna be getting a job soon. I don't know if I said that on this video or not. But yeah, so it might be slowing down a little bit more than it already has, because I have not been motivated, because these videos have not been good like I wanted to, you feel me? It's just not up to my standards. But, yeah, I'm doing hella yapping, bro. I'm just kind of just trying to fill it up for like the 10-minute mark, you feel me? But yeah, bro, I hope you guys fuck with the video. Like I said already, make sure to go check out my Discord, like I already said 20 fucking times. Like and sub, bro. And I'll see you guys in the next video, bro. I love y'all. Focus on. Yeah.
I got a fucking human leg hanging on my chop. Don't be